the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Never ending photo session.
2, 3.
It's day 2 and it's K-pop Stuffs hunting day. Let's go! Ada Lalisa.
Iya sumpah. Itu nggak lucu sih.
Simpen kira.
Gue takut banget.
Bodoh kan? We're flying back home today. It's my last chance to find K-pop stuff. I was hoping that I will find BLACKPINK light stick, but instead I found this really cute pop art store. We're back at my house and right now I want to do like a shopping haul. Actually I wanted to film this video at Singapore, but it was a short trip. It was only like 3 days, 4 days actually. We were really in a tight schedule, so yeah, I'm doing it right now. Okay, let's start with the very first stuff that I bought. It is this BLACKPINK album. This is BLACKPINK the album. I know it's an old one, but I always really want to have this. Let's do the unboxing. You gotta be really careful with this. Oh my god, I love hologram. This embossed. You can see all the song titles here. Oh, and also I've never seen any unboxing videos before of this album, so this is gonna be my first time seeing everything in this box. Okay, now let's slide it open. Oh, hold on. Okay, you don't need to slide it open, you just need to open it from here. And oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god. BLACKPINK. So pretty. Oh, what is it? Let's open it. This is the photo card. Jisoo and Rose. What is this? This is the album credits, lyric book. Next item. Woo! I think this is the CD. Oh, well, it's not CD. That's the CD. What is this? I think it's another photo card. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god. For lavender here and the purple background is the BLACKPINK city. Can you see the details here? All the title tracks. I bought this album for $24. Overall, I think they really gave us the best for this album. I really cannot wait for Born Pink album. I've pre-ordered that one. All these photo cards. I bought some for my friends. Big Bang photo cards. This is BLACKPINK photo cards. All for $3 each. Okay, the next one is this white BLACKPINK t-shirt. I know it's just like a plain white t-shirt, but it looks so cute. Look at this. I don't think we have this BLACKPINK merchandise in Indonesia's Cotton On. I decided that I just gotta buy it. Okay, the next items are not K-pop related stuff. It is some beauty stuff that I found really worth it because it is cheaper if you buy it in Singapore, especially at the airport. The first one is this Dior lip tattoo. This is really transfer proof. And the next one is this Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. I've always wanted this perfume since I was in high school. I bought the perfume roll one so I can put it in my bag and bring it everywhere with me. The next item is this mini perfume. You can see the Coach engraved here. Also got fossil wallets for my parents. Wait, this cinematic mood looks really pretty. Okay, that's all for my Singapore shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed my trip to Singapore. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.